Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about interior cleaner. You can probably guess what it's used for, but there's plenty to let you know about to get the most out of this simple yet incredibly effective product. Interior cleaner is an incredibly mild yet effective cleaner which makes it ideal for almost all interior surfaces. It contains no dyes, fragrances, or additives that will change the look of the material it's applied to or attract future soiling. Its main job is to tackle organic stains, general soiling such as dirt, mud, or anything you might carry into your car on your person. Additionally, it addresses common oils imparted from makeup, natural skin oils, and more. If you encounter something that interior cleaner doesn't clean effectively, you may need something more aggressive. But aggressive is never a good first step on the wide variety of materials found in automotive interiors that may react differently to an aggressive cleaner. Interior cleaner is safe on all interior surfaces, except for LCD screens, and generally shouldn't be sprayed directly onto window surface. Other than those two spots, you can use interior cleaner on carpets, floor mats, seats of any material type, fabrics, vinyl, headliners, door panels, and dashes. I also love using this product around the house on similar materials such as carpet, rugs, shoes, and even things like purses, although I don't have many of those. Using interior cleaner is simple. You can spray it directly onto a larger surface such as a seat or door panel, or onto a microfiber towel or brush. If I'm working in tight spots, I usually prefer to spray onto a towel or tool to avoid overspray and excessive cleanup. For light soiling, a simple wipe dry with a microfiber towel is enough. For heavier soiling or stains, agitation with a tool like a brush makes the work a lot faster. Then simply dry the excess with a clean microfiber towel. If you're unsure if interior cleaner is safe on a particular surface, test an inconspicuous area first. Because this product leaves nothing behind, once the surface is clean, you're clear to apply any dressing, conditioner, or protectant. Interior cleaner has been a staple for many years at Griot's Garage, and it's because it works incredibly well and makes quick work of a dirty interior. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram or Facebook, or check out our website at griotsgarage.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.